Warm good morning to my dear students. Welcome back to online class. Let's continue the chapter The Beginning of the Struggle. Okay, students, last class we already learned that under the British rule, India became very poor and weak country. Okay, and many social evils also crept into the Indian society. But some of the great thinkers and reformers like Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan has played important role. Okay, they started movement to reform these evils. Okay, students, and they started began to think that freedom from the British rule was the only solution to their problem. So, after that, so many people also started thinking. So, students, today we start our next topic, that is the Indian National Congress. Look at your book. An organization called the Indian National Congress was formed in 1885. It was formed to draw the attention of the government towards the problem of the Indian people. It wanted the government to employ as many Indians as possible in its offices. The first session of the Congress was held in Mumbai. It was held under the presidency of W.C. Banerjee. It was attended by people from all over India. Thereafter, the Congress held its session every year in different parts of the country. Soon it became very popular with the middle class Indians. One constant demand of the Congress was that Indians should be allowed to manage their own affairs. Students, an organization called the Indian National Congress or INC was formed in 1885. Okay, and it was formed by the retired British officer A.O. Hume and many Indians leader come together to form the INC, the Indian National Congress. Okay, and the first session of Indian National Congress was held at Mumbai in December 1885, and this meeting was attended by 73 delegates. What their demand, what their needs, what is the main motive to form this form this National Congress? Their main aim is they wanted to government employ as many Indians as possible in its office, because so many Indians peoples are educated, so they wanted their job in uh, government jobs. That's why the Indian National Congress was formed. Okay, student. And the first meeting was held in Mumbai in the presidency of W.C. Banerjee. Okay, and meeting was held in every year in different part of the country. Not only Mumbai, different parts of the country meeting was held. Session means meeting was held. Okay, soon after this meeting was the INC, Indian National Congress meeting was very popular in middle class Indians people. Okay, students, and their demand of the Congress was that Indians should be allowed to manage their affairs. They what their demand? Their demands from the British government that if any problem is there, any situation is there, Indian people solve their problem itself. They don't want to interfere British government officers, because if the British government officers are interfere in their matter, it become the difficult for the Indians people. So their demands only that they want to manage their affair by itself. Okay, students. Our next topic is the moderates and the nationalists. Among the early leaders of the Congress, the most important were W.C. Banerjee, Dadabhai Naroji, S.N. Banerjee, G. Subramaniam Iyer, G.K. Gokhale, and Badruddin Taibji. These leaders always used very soft language. While putting their demands, they were called moderates. There was another set of leaders. They include Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal, Lala Rajpat Rai, and VOC Pillai. They were called nationalist or revolutionary. Nationalist. They believed in strong action and strong language. They believed that only by strong action and words they would make the British to accept their demands. In his paper called Kesari, Tilak criticized the British very severely. He coined the slogan, "Freedom is my birthright and I will have it." He was imprisoned for several years. Students, Congress leaders like Dadabhai Naoroji and Gopal Krishna Gokhale stood for the hopes and dreams of the Indian masses. The demands made by this leader was simple, like representation in the government, equal treatment in the army and civil service, etc. These demands were expressed through peaceful means and the leaders were thus called moderates. Students, meaning of moderates is to become or to make something less or strong. संतुलित होना या संतुलित करना, ठीक है, इसको हम बोलते हैं moderates. And the meaning of nationalist is a person who wants his or her country or region to become independence. वो इंसान जो अपने देश को इंडिपेंडेंस मीन्स आज़ाद कराना चाहता है उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं नेशनलिस्ट. स्टूडेंट्स, गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले, दादाभाई नौरोजी and W.C. Banerjee are the believed in moderate. They are moderates people. They believed that constitutional methods to bring about social reforms. These leaders always used very soft language while putting their demands, but their all demands are denied by the British government. They do not hear any demands of Indian people. In the early phase of the Indian National Congress, the moderates were in charge of both the demands of the party as well as the execution of its action program. In the other hand, some of the younger members of INC means Indian National Congress like Lala Rajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal was unhappy by this approach. These are called nationalists. They are nationalists. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Rajpat Rai and Bipin Chandra Pal was regarded as nationalist because of their overall aggressive stand. The Lal Bal Pal trio believed that India must achieve Swaraj or self-rule and not be ruled by anyone. Students, according to them, the national movement could become successful only through a firm, strong, and aggressive approach to get their demand fulfilled. They felt that the people had to secure their rights by fighting and by being organized. Okay. Lokmanya Tilak reached to common people with the newspaper Kesari and Maratha and the media them aware of their rights. His declaration to the British government that Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. He also encouraged people to celebrate these Indian festivals. But Lokmanya Tilak said that or Bal Gangadhar Tilak said that freedom is my birthright and I will have it. Means आज़ादी मेरा जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार है और ये मैं हासिल करके रहूँगा। ये बाल गंगाधर तिलक जी का स्लोगन था और ये स्लोगन इंडिया जितने भी इंडियन पीपल्स थे सबको ये स्लोगन वो बताते थे, जिसके लिए उनको कई बार जेल में भी डाला गया था। बाल गंगाधर तिलक इंडियन पीपल को एनकरेज करते थे इंडियन फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करने का, लाइक सार्वजनिक गणेश उत्सव एंड सार्वजनिक शिवाजी जयंती, टू द foster brotherhood and bring about pride for the country among the Indian people. लोकमान्य तिलक और बाल गंगाधर तिलक जी का मानना था कि अगर वे मिलकर सार्वजनिक गणेश उत्सव और शिवाजी जयंती मनाते हैं तो इंडियन पीपल के अंदर भाईचारा आएगा। हम एक दूसरे के प्रति एक दूसरे को समझेंगे, एक दूसरे के प्रॉब्लम को समझेंगे और हम एकजुट होकर अंग्रेज से सामना करेंगे और अपने देश को छुड़ाएंगे। एंड द नेशनलिस्ट बिलीव देयर स्ट्रॉन्ग लैंग्वेज and strong action towards the British government, okay, and they fulfill their own demands. Okay student, so this much for today. Hope you understand. Thank you.